Why your car payment is costing you more than you think. What if the biggest expense slowing down your financial future isn't your rent, but the car sitting in your driveway? Imagine a young professional living in Chicago, Manchester, or Berlin. After taxes, they bring home around $4,000 a month. Rent or a mortgage takes about $1,500. Utilities, groceries, and insurance add another $900. Student loans or credit card payments take $300. Then comes the car. A monthly payment of $650 doesn't seem unreasonable. After all, it's reliable, comfortable, and almost everyone at work drives something similar. But the payment isn't the whole story. Add insurance, fuel, maintenance, registration, renewal, and parking, and that $650 quickly becomes closer to $1,000 every month. That's $12,000 a year just to own and use one vehicle.
The problem isn't that cars are bad. The problem is that most people only compare the monthly payment with their monthly salary. They rarely compare the total cost with the opportunities they're giving up. Imagine investing that same $1,000 every month instead. With a modest annual return of around 8%, over 20 years, that money could grow to well over $500,000. The expensive part isn't the payment itself. It's everything that payment quietly prevents you from building. So why do intelligent people still make this decision? Because money isn't only about numbers. It's about psychology. A newer car offers immediate comfort, social acceptance, and the feeling of success. The future, on the other hand, feels distant and abstract. Our brains naturally value today's reward more than tomorrow's security.
Banks and dealerships understand this perfectly. That's why the conversation is almost always about the monthly payment, not the lifetime cost. Financially thoughtful people don't necessarily buy cheap cars. They simply ask a different question. Instead of asking, "Can I afford this payment?" they ask, "What is this payment costing my future?" That small shift changes almost every financial decision they'll make. A car should make your life easier, not quietly consume the income that could have created real financial freedom. If you enjoy thoughtful conversations about money, psychology, and long-term wealth, consider subscribing for more.